Hi, as we all know that we are hit by the second wave of coronavirus in India, and it's been very destructive, and it's been like a hell for all of us who are in our country, for all the people who are facing lack of medical resources. At this time, we need our people to stay binded. We need our people to support each other rather than blaming the governments and the political leaders. We need each other to support each other. There are, of course, those section of society which are not able to afford many resources this time. And we, as the proud citizens of our country, need to make sure that we have ample resources so that people who are hit by the virus are being treated properly. We need to make sure that we have the required number of ventilators, oxygen cylinders, oxygen refilling is being done properly and in ample amounts. There is adequate number of remdesivir injections so that there is a stop to the black marketing which is going on and things start to fall back in place. So I need your help. Not for me, it's for my country, it's for your country, it's for our country, India. And if you are watching outside of India, then you are the one who can support our country too. Because at these worst time, it's about the humans, it's about the compassion, it's about staying together. There is support coming from a lot of countries, and on the behalf of that, I am really thankful to those countries as well. So as I said, we need your support. I need your support. How you can support us? Not just mates about us. So there are 2-3 things that you need to do in order to support your country, India. First thing is support yourself. The first thing you can do is to support yourself. Make sure you are taking healthy diet, healthy sleep, and you need to make sure that you are taking care of your family members. This is the first and the foremost task that you need to do today in order to support this country, and it's my humble request. Second thing, do not go out without wearing double mask, without hand sanitizers, without the use of gloves. As a responsible citizen of the country, we need to make sure that we are not the ones who are the carriers of coronavirus. Of course, we don't know that are we carrying it or not, but we need to make the best possible arrangement for ourselves so that the ones who are staying near us should be protected. We need to make sure that we are doing our 100% efforts, our best possible efforts to reduce the spread. And thirdly, in this lockdown period, please stay at your homes. Do not go out unless it's very essential. So the last part of this video that I really wanted to cover was that if by God's grace you are earning decent amount of money, or even if you are earning less or whatever I can say, it's completely your choice. It's my humble request that you start doing it for others. I mean to say, start donating by a little amount. And I'm not asking for donating to my personal fund, no. It's the PM Cares Fund. You can see it here, and I'll just paste the link in the description. Start by donating small amount, no worries. Even if you feel like you can donate 50 rupees or 100 rupees, that's fine. Do it. Even if you think you can donate more, it's completely your choice. So please donate in funds such as PM Cares Fund. It's a government initiative, our Prime Minister's initiative. Now many people will say that there might be corruption things going on and a lot of things, but at this period of time, at least I am not the one who is pointing out people out, who is pointing out political leaders and the government that they are doing it wrong or they are doing it right. All of us are in this together, so it's our responsibility to grow our country out of the situation. Another thing, we have seen from last 1 year that how our Bollywood actor Sonu Sood has amazingly helped the people throughout the country. Either it's about availing oxygen facilities, availing oxygen beds, availing education to the people, availing food to the migrant workers, helping migrant workers to migrate from one city to their home city. This man has done a lot. Seriously. So you can donate to his foundation also. It's Sonu Sood Foundation, and I'll paste the link in the description. Thirdly, there is currently an initiative by Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma for the COVID relief, and the couple has donated 2 crore rupees in order to help people in our country to get the required resources. These people are doing awesome. I've also heard that recently Sachin Tendulkar has donated rupees 1 crore, Sara Ali Khan has donated much amount, and a lot of people are doing great things for our society. Even our YouTuber Carrie Minati has recently donated a huge amount. So that really binds our country. When we see that we need help, people are helping each other. And recently we know that IPL was dismissed in the halfway itself. And one important news that is being least shared is about Nicholas Puran, who is from the West Indies. The player decided to donate his complete salary of IPL to COVID relief for India. That's a huge respect for him, to all the great personalities who are doing it. So I'm pasting some of the links, you can just check in the description. I have done my part, a little part that I could do. You can do your part as well. But as I said, you need to make sure that first you are mentally sound, you are physically sound, you are helping yourself first. Secondly, you are taking care of your family members. Thirdly, you are taking care of your surrounding people who are living in your neighbor, or the people nearby who can't afford or who are not able to access those resources. These donation funds, which can help our country to get more COVID resources at a faster rate. And last but not the least, I want to thank all the COVID warriors who are standing strong in this point of our country. The doctors, paramedical staff, they are doing an amazing job. I also want to thank our defense forces who are doing a lot. They are doing great. A big thanks to them as well. So as you see the title of the video, please help me. That's the help that I'm asking you. It's not a personal help. That's a help for our country, for my country, India. Thank you so much.